can't stop yourself from hiccuping.
Here are a few tricks to make it stop. First, hold your breath. Take a deep breath and hold it in. Exhale when you can't hold it in anymore.
Why aren't you breathing? Please introduce yourself.
Diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. It contracts, lungs expand, and air comes in. It expands, lungs shrink, and air goes out. When it spasms, air rushes in suddenly, producing the sound of a hiccup. It's like squeezing a squeaky toy.
Let's get to the second trick.
Second, drinking water. Take small sips, one at a time, 10 times in a row.
It worked.
But wait, there's one more trick.
Stop it. Stop!
The third trick is shock.
Why did the diaphragm freak out?
Good question. It could be eating too fast, temperature changes, or stress.
Honey, were you watching this last night?